change my life, and so it did. I went to the park, just me and my knife. All the other kids were there. I took out my knife to show it to them. Look what I got. I got a real knife. Look what I got. I got a real knife. But Jimmy, that fat boy that bullied me in school, came up to me and started to laugh. What do we have here? A little faggot with a piece of shit he found in the garbage. Get the fuck out of our park. All the kids were laughing at me. I played cool and pretended to be a good sport. But inside, I was in rage. Boy, oh boy, I told myself, you had better not say that. The fat boy Jimmy should pay for what he just said to me. I felt a boundless hatred arising, a strong emotion that I couldn't force down. I couldn't control myself, I wanted to see Jimmy die. I lost my cool and I stabbed him in the gut. He gasped out and fell to the floor. The kids were screaming out in horror, and there was blood all over the place. I pulled my knife out of Jimmy's stomach. I turned around and started to smile. The victory was all mine. That fat boy Jimmy was lying on the floor begging for mercy. Boy, oh boy, I never saw so much blood in my life.